All right, everyone, and welcome to Brocade, Networking Field Day 5. I hope you guys had a great first couple of sessions today and some good sessions yesterday. My name is Mike Schiff, and I'm a product marketing manager for the routing products. I also work with our software networking and application delivery switches too. So I'll just be giving the quick introduction to Brocade. So this is the time for you guys to kind of just face your laptops and forget about what I'm saying, because I think most of you were here last time. We could have probably easily just played a video recording of Lisa, and she would have done the same thing, because I just listened to what she said, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So Brocade, who are we? We were founded in 1995 as a storage company. Storage area networking was our expertise. We pioneered fiber channel. Today we are 4,500 strong and operating globally, so over 160 countries we operate in, whether that's a direct or through our partners, our OEMs, our channel partners. We're doing quite well financially, doing $2 billion in revenue annually. So what are some of our focus areas? We really strive to deliver industry-leading products. So we invented the Ethernet fabric. Obviously, we're known for our fiber channel, and we're leading in that with our 16 gig capabilities on that. We have a comprehensive campus LAN portfolio offering differentiated solutions there. And we also have some very high-performance routing capabilities, specifically targeting the service provider and the research education and the high-end enterprise space. Our technology that we're developing, we're really trying to focus on a few key industry trends. Those, of course, being the buzziest words of all, cloud, virtualization, mobility, and SDN. And today, the real focus of the seminar will be software. So whether that's software-defined networking or software networking. So you'll hear about what we're doing with OpenFlow, and then you'll also hear about some of our developments with our recent acquisition of Viata. And just our goals as a company, it's extending our presence in the Ethernet market, and then continuing to lead in SAN and being a thought leader in technologies like SDN and software networking. Just to give you kind of a look into what our product portfolio looks like, this is quite the slide, I know, but it just kind of illustrates the breadth of products that we actually deliver. So whether that's in the service provider space, from the core to the edge, we have products going there. From the campus LAN, and then also to the data center, whether that's IP networking or storage area networking. So we have a new development since the last time you were here, a new CEO, and I want to bring this up to you just because this really kind of sets some expectations of what Brocade is going to be doing in the next several years under our new CEO. So Lloyd Carney joined us back in January of 2013 of this year. So he's about a little over 60 days in. And what he really brings to Brocade is a strong networking background. So prior to Brocade, he was at Seago. He was the CEO there. Seago was a leader in data center virtualization with key solutions for cloud computing and SDN before they were purchased by Oracle.
Do you guys know Seago? Yeah.
Before they got bought?
Yeah, before they got bought.
Yeah.
Now nobody knows what they're doing.
Yeah. Prior to Seago, he was at Micromuse. Micromuse was a network management software company and became a key element to the IBM Tivoli framework. And then he also has extensive executive and C-level experience at several IP networking companies, well-known ones, Juniper, Bay, and then also Nortel. So really, he's bringing a strong networking background to Brocade. He's very focused on the products and solutions we deliver. Just this being his 60 days in, he's kind of been going through the learning process, learning about how we operate, the solutions we deliver to our customers. So it's really a goal of his to really focus us and deliver networking solutions to our customers that they're demanding. So his focus areas will be data center virtualization, cloud computing, and software networking. And he really has a strong passion for the software side, especially coming from the last two companies he was CEO of. We also have a new senior VP of sales, of worldwide sales. I bring this up not because you guys care too much probably about him, but because he comes from a strong IP networking side too. He's Jeff Lindholm, and he joined us just about 2 weeks ago. And he came from Arbor Networks and also has experience as the CMO at Juniper. So another guy that's really bringing a strong IP networking background to Brocade and really going to help lead us along with Lloyd into the next several years. Okay, so the agenda today. Those of you who are in the room, you have it. Those of you on the phone or on the stream, you can see that we have a number of different topics to cover in just a short amount of time. After me, I'll be handing over to Kurt Beckman. Kurt Beckman was a presenter at Network Field Day 4, and we received such great feedback and demand that Kurt gets back, so we were able to slot him in for a short 10-minute session. However, with his experience with OpenFlow and monitoring some of the Twitter feeds yesterday, I think maybe you guys might have a couple questions for him. I don't know, I just kind of sensed that there was something going on, maybe in late afternoon. So maybe Kurt can help, answer some of those questions. I don't know, who knows? Okay, so then Kurt will be handing over to Rajesh. Rajesh is our Director of Product Management and Technical Marketing, and he'll be talking about OpenFlow from a product standpoint and what we're developing specifically on our MLXE router. This is our high-performance 100 gig router, and specifically our capabilities of hybrid port mode and some of the use cases there, especially for WAN virtualization. We'll give you a 5-minute break. I know you guys just came from lunch, so you might need a break somewhere in there. And then we'll give it over to Dan Tuckler. Dan is the Senior Director of Viata Product Management, and he'll give you an overview of what are the key initiatives that we're working on with Viata as it pertains to software networking and security. And then finally, David Meyer, a man who needs no introduction. He will be closing it out with kind of an overview of the macro trends in networking, and then some of the things Brocade is doing to work and develop product and technology that you can really lead in those trends. So the agenda is set. I think you guys are all ready to hear from someone other than me. So I will be handing it over to Kurt, and I hope you guys have a good day.